Have you applied the 80-20 rule to your sales practice? It was one of the most fascinating exercises I did in 2000. And the reason I did is because I had a book of business that was a mile wide, but I had relationships that were really just an inch deep. So my business coach asked if I had applied the 80-20 rule. And I said, yeah, I know about it, but I haven't really applied it. I don't think it makes a big difference. Oh boy, what an aha moment I was in for. When I looked at the 80-20 rule, and that is what 20% of my customers are driving 80% of my business, it was a major eye-opener. You know, we don't know what we don't know. And I didn't realize just how much business my top 20% were doing. So when I looked at the top 20%, I decided to dig more deeply and really develop that relationship and get to know them more and to find out more about their needs and how else I could help them with solutions and things like that. I also made sure I called every one of them on their birthday as well as their anniversary. You know what happened? My business tripled. Within 12 months, my business tripled. So it ties into being laser focused on who's really driving your business. If you've done this exercise already, let me know in the comments how it worked out. If you haven't, then ask me for a PDF on the 80-20 rule and I'll gladly send it to you. Have a good day. Do your best today.